Kluane is an electoral district which returns a member to the Legislative Assembly of the Canadian Territory of Yukon. It is named after Kluane National Park, which is within the riding. It is one of the Yukon's 8 rural districts. Kluane represents all Yukon communities and residents along the Alaska Highway west of Whitehorse and south to Alaska. This includes the communities of Haines Junction, Burwash Landing, Destruction Bay, Beaver Creek, and Mendenhall, as well as parts of the Ibex and Macpherson-Grizzly valleys. It is situated on the traditional territory of the Kluane First Nation, the Champagne and Aishihik First Nations, the White River First Nation, the Selkirk First Nation, and the Little Salmon, Carmacks First Nation. The district was first created in 1974, when the Yukon Territorial Council was expanded from 7 to 12 members as a prelude to the creation of the new Legislative Assembly. It is one of the oldest electoral districts in the Yukon and is presently bordered by the rural ridings of Klondike, Mayo-Tatchun, Lake Laberge, and Mount Lorne-Southern Lakes, as well as the Whitehorse ridings of Porter Creek North and Takhini-Kopper King. Kluane is currently represented by Wade Istchenko of the Yukon Party, who was first elected on October 11, 2011, and re-elected on November 7, 2016. He is the grandson of Hilda Watson, former leader of the Yukon Progressive Conservative Party and the first MLA to represent the riding.